In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay off your margin balance in Robinhood, step by step, using the Robinhood website. Whether you're new to investing or just need a little guidance, I'll show you exactly what to do so you can confidently manage your margin debt and keep your finances in check. Let's start at the very beginning by logging into your Robinhood account on the official website. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the real Robinhood site, so double check the web address before entering your information. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard where you can see an overview of your portfolio. Next, you'll want to click on Robinhood Legend. This area can sometimes be called other names depending on recent updates, but you're looking for the section that leads you to your account details. Once you're here, move your attention up to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this will open up your personal account menu. It's worth taking a moment here to familiarize yourself with the options, especially if you plan to use Robinhood often. Within this menu, find and look for the Buying Power section. This is where you'll find important information about your margin balance. Your margin balance represents the amount you've borrowed from Robinhood to buy securities, so it's essential to keep an eye on this if you're using margin to invest. Now, if you'd like to pay off your margin balance, you'll need to add funds to your Robinhood account. To do this, head over to the Transfers option on your dashboard. When you click on Transfers, select the choice that says Transfer to Robinhood. This will let you move money from your linked bank account into your Robinhood balance. Select the bank account that you want to use for the deposit. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure it's enough to fully cover your current margin debt so your balance will go down to zero. Review your transfer details and confirm the transaction. After you complete the transfer, the money will move from your bank account to Robinhood. Once these funds settle in your account, Robinhood will automatically apply them to pay off your margin balance, so you don't have to take any extra steps. Finally, and most importantly, take a minute to confirm that your margin balance has actually decreased to zero. You can do this by revisiting the Buying Power section and double checking the numbers. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily pay off your margin debt in Robinhood and manage your investments more effectively. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on making the most of your financial journey. Thanks for watching.